we're 700 grand. I was like, holy moly.
Huh.
But they called off that sign. And he's like, he's on the boat right now. I just took a call to that. I was like, no, get his number. I was like, all the phone company.
Too far? Oh! Oh!
Oh no, you suck a game.
Got more, that's all.
Got it. Just that.
This is nice, this is nice. Did you pull your pants up, you kid?
Hey, if she gets a hold of that man and he wants to go look at property Monday, I'm getting a babysitter.
Alright. Oh!
Oh, you should have got that.